Okay, let's talk VPNs.
Yeah, what exactly is a VPN?
VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It's a clever piece of software that helps you access the internet without restrictions, keeping you safe from tracking and hacking. A VPN works on virtually any device and takes seconds to set up.
Great, but why do I need it?
Well, you can keep all your online activity private from internet providers, governments, and hackers, even on unsecured public Wi-Fi. You can stream your favorite movies and TV shows from anywhere in the world, and unblock popular websites and apps that may be censored where you are.
Okay, but how does it work? Surely my internet provider can see my activity.
Well, that's the thing. Normally on the net, a connection will route web traffic from your device through your internet provider and onto the website you're visiting, leaving your data exposed. But with a VPN, there's an extra step. It routes your connection via a remote server before taking you to the website. Imagine your data traveling through a secured tunnel that encrypts all your information, which means to onlookers and even your internet provider, your information is private and your true location is hidden. Find your perfect VPN today.